Hey, what's up guys? Coming back for another video here. So what happened is my car, I was looking for the fuse to get those emission lights on that I've been chasing down for like a year now, and realized that I have a giant coolant leak in the front there. I hope it's not coming from the radiator. I hope it's a hose that wasn't tightened down all the way. But either way, we're gonna find out. We're gonna go over to the garage, open it up, get it ready. I gotta get it ready because there's a race coming up in March 8th. So 3 weeks from now, I gotta have it race ready. The drag strip is doing Friday night drags. I've been a lot of times. I've even posted a lot of videos for you guys. You guys can check those out on the channel here. But I've never actually gone to the drags to race, and I'm super excited. This will be my first time racing. So I got 3 weeks to get her ready to race. Let's roll. Okay guys, I'm over here at the garage and we're gonna take a look at this coolant leak. I got the car up on the lift here. I forgot to go get energy drinks beforehand. Pretty upset about that because it's getting late and I want to work all night on this. But check this out, honestly, I got a splatter from coolant all over here. I had no leak previously, so I know this is new. Front of the engine was completely clean, so all of this is from the new leak, honestly. So we're gonna start by, I have it all over my belts. We're gonna start by taking off the engine cover and take out the degas tank, the coolant reservoir, and we can get a better look at what actually is going on down there and figure out what needs to be replaced. Hopefully it's not the radiator. I need to do the radiator anyway, honestly, because it's pretty beat up, and get ready to race. But yeah, big changes coming for this, yeah, pretty soon. Just got to lock down some new parts that I want to get. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for it. Let's see. Yeah, anyway, let's get started. Alright, so a second ago I tried talking to you guys. I had my mic off, but here's the O2 sensor. I just switched it to the other side, tested it out, started getting a code for my right O2 sensor being broken instead of my left. So basically at this point, I'm going to say that it was definitely the O2 sensor, considering my left O2 sensor was failing. Switched them, now the right O2 sensor is failing. Yeah, it's definitely the O2 sensor. Not to mention, kind of rattles, like a baby rattle, and it's not supposed to do that. So anyway, I pulled it out. Rock Auto is a G, like I've said in the past. They're awesome. The new one they're going to be sending it to me in the morning because this has a manufacturer's warranty on it for 90 days, and I only installed it last month, so pretty excited. In the meantime, I'm going to send this back to them. I got the old Nissan ones. I'm going to throw one of those in there as a placeholder until I get the new one, and I'm super pumped. All right, let's do it. Look at this, check it out. No check engine light. Go over here at dash command. And dash command's actually pretty cool. You can run diagnostics on it for everything. Right here is plugged in with the OBD2 to a Bluetooth connection. Engine error codes. Got some readiness monitors, they're not complete yet, but I do believe that says no codes. Look at that, guys. Alright, I think we're good to go. We gotta wait on that other O2 sensor, but honestly, I cleaned up the original Nissan one, and yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna take it inside. It's getting pretty late. Post a video up for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and catch you next time on Import Life.